Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Blink Outdoor 4 wireless smart security camera system, a security setup designed for homeowners who want simple installation, long battery life, and reliable monitoring without complicated wiring. The first thing that stands out is convenience. This package includes 2 cameras plus the Sync module core, giving you a ready-to-use security setup right out of the box. Since these cameras are completely wireless, installation is much easier compared to traditional wired systems. Video quality comes in at 1080p HD resolution, which provides clear footage for monitoring entrances, driveways, yards, garages, or indoor spaces. During the day, video remains sharp and detailed, while infrared night vision helps maintain visibility after dark. One of the biggest selling points is battery performance. Blink claims up to 2 years of battery life under typical usage conditions. That means fewer battery changes and less maintenance over time, which is a huge advantage for security devices installed in difficult-to-reach locations. Another useful feature is two-way talk. This allows you to communicate directly through the cameras using supported devices. Whether you're speaking to visitors, delivery drivers, or checking in around your property, the feature adds extra convenience. Motion detection also plays a big role here. The cameras can send alerts when movement is detected, helping users stay informed even while away from home. Because the cameras are weather-resistant and wireless, placement becomes much more flexible. You can mount them near entrances, garages, backyards, gates, or other important areas without dealing with complicated cable routing. Overall, if you want a beginner-friendly smart security system with long battery life, wireless installation, night vision, and flexible monitoring options, the Blink Outdoor 4 camera system is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link below. See you in the next one.